In this podcast episode, Zuby interviews entrepreneur Melker Svard, the founder of Wyde Footwear. Melker shares his journey and the inspiration behind starting his footwear company. He explains that he has always been active and played tennis at a high level. Throughout his life, he experienced foot pain and realized that there was a lack of comfortable and functional shoes on the market. This led him to explore the concept of barefoot shoes and eventually start his own company. Melker discusses the problems with modern shoes and how they can negatively impact foot health. He highlights 4 major components of shoes that are problematic: the shape of the toe box, the stiffness of the sole, the drop, height difference between the heel and the front of the foot, and the toe spring, upward curve at the front of the shoe. These factors can lead to foot pain, poor balance, and other issues. The entrepreneur explains that most shoes are designed this way due to historical reasons and the mass production of shoes during the Industrial Revolution. The symmetrical shape of shoes became the norm, even though feet are not symmetrical. Melker emphasizes the importance of considering the foot's natural shape and function when designing shoes. Melker shares the process of creating the perfect shoe. He and his team went through numerous iterations and worked with manufacturing partners to develop a shoe that prioritizes function and comfort. They focused on creating a wide toe box to allow the toes to spread naturally, while also considering other factors such as sole flexibility and overall design. The entrepreneur acknowledges the challenge of changing people's perception of shoes and foot health. He believes that capturing the interest of young people is crucial to making a real change. Melker aims to create shoes that are not only functional but also stylish and appealing to a wide range of consumers. He wants to challenge the notion that comfortable shoes have to look unattractive or athletic. Melker discusses the potential harm caused by modern shoes, such as foot pain, flat feet, and balance issues. He believes that most foot pain is preventable and that improving foot health can have a positive impact on overall well-being. He also mentions the importance of balance, especially for older adults, as falls are a leading cause of death in that population. The entrepreneur launched Wyde Footwear in May 2021 and initially faced shipping challenges, particularly to the United States. However, he recently found a solution and plans to start shipping worldwide again. Melker expresses his excitement about expanding his brand's reach and hopes to make a difference in the U.S. market, where foot health is often overlooked. Melker continues by discussing his initial reaction to the Wyde shoes and how they felt different from traditional shoes. He explains that while the Wyde shoes may look a little weird at first, they actually provide better support and comfort for the foot. This realization led him to question why traditional shoes are designed the way they are, as they do not align with the natural shape of the foot. Zuby and Melker discussed the importance of foot function and how it affects overall health and well-being. Melker mentions that he and his colleagues have conducted a large study on foot function and have found that many people share the same experience of finding Wyde shoes more comfortable and beneficial for their feet. He emphasizes that while Wyde shoes may not be for everyone, even walking barefoot can have powerful benefits for foot health. The conversation then shifts to the potential impact of Wyde shoes on the shoe industry. Zuby compares the potential revolution caused by Wyde shoes to the release of the first iPhone. Initially, people were skeptical and resistant to change, but eventually, the iPhone transformed the entire industry. Zuby suggests that Wyde shoes could have a similar effect, challenging other shoe companies to rethink their designs and prioritize foot health. Melker acknowledges that many big shoe brands have attempted to offer Wyde shoes but have not been successful. He attributes this to the fact that there is a lot of money involved in the traditional shoe industry, making it difficult for companies to deviate from the norm. However, he believes that the traction and word-of-mouth support that Wyde Footwear is gaining can be powerful in driving change. Zuby and Melker discuss the power of individual influence and the potential reach of a good idea in today's interconnected world. They highlight the importance of putting innovative products and ideas out into the world and how they can ripple out and reach a wide audience. Zuby expresses his excitement about Wyde Footwear and praises the company for its genuine innovation and problem-solving approach. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe.